In this video, I'll walk you through the simple review of AppSmith. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. AppSmith is a low-code platform designed primarily for building internal tools and dashboards. Here's a review covering its key aspects. Strengths: developer-centric approach. AppSmith strikes a good balance between visual development and coding flexibility. Developers can use drag and drop components for basic layouts and then add JavaScript for complex logic and customization. This makes it very powerful. Data integration. It excels at connecting various data sources, including databases, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, and etc., and APIs such as REST and GraphQL. This makes it easy to build data driven applications. Open source and self hosting. The open source nature of AppSmith is a significant advantage. It allows for self hosting, giving organizations greater control over their data and infrastructure. Customization. With JavaScript integration, AppSmith offers a high degree of customization, enabling developers to build complex and tailored applications. Rapid development. It significantly speeds up the development process of internal tools, allowing teams to quickly build and deploy applications. Community support. AppSmith has a growing community and good documentation. Weaknesses: learning curve. While it's low code, some coding knowledge, especially JavaScript, is beneficial for advanced customization. This can present a learning curve for non developers. User interface design. While functional, the UI design is more focused on practically than aesthetics. For customer facing applications requiring polished designs, additional styling might be needed. Focus on internal tools. AppSmith is primarily geared towards internal tools and dashboards. It might not be the best choice for building complex customer facing web applications.